Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best tools, gadgets, and home essentials. Today, we have something truly epic to review, the best Thor Tool Kit Hammer. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a fan of Marvel, or simply someone who loves a fun twist on your everyday tools, this Mjolnir-inspired toolkit is bound to grab your attention. This tool set isn't just about looks, although, let's be honest, it looks incredible. It's practical, rugged, and compact, making it perfect for everyday use around the house. The kit comes with a variety of essential tools, including a hammer, screwdrivers, wrench, pliers, Allen keys, a knife, tape measure, and even a telephone screwdriver. Every tool you need for home repairs, furniture assembly, woodwork, car fixes, and more, all housed in a sleek, silver case designed to mimic Thor's famous hammer, Mjolnir. The hammer itself is heat-treated and chrome-plated to resist corrosion, ensuring it lasts for years to come. The handles of all the tools are ergonomically designed with TPR materials, offering a comfortable grip for your projects. The entire set is neatly packed in a blow-molded case, so you can easily store and organize your tools, whether it's in your garage, car, or apartment. But here's what makes this kit stand out. It's not just about functionality, it's about the experience. Holding this Thor hammer in your hand, even for basic repairs, will make you feel like a true Norse god. It's perfect for Marvel fans who want to add a bit of superhero flair to their everyday tasks, or as a unique gift for the handy person in your life. Imagine assembling furniture or fixing a leaky faucet with Mjolnir's might in your hand. Beyond its awesome design, this toolkit is also designed with precision and durability in mind. Each tool meets or exceeds ANSI critical standards, ensuring the highest quality for your repairs and projects. Plus, its compact size makes it easy to store without taking up much space, perfect for small apartments or vehicles. With this Thor hammer toolkit, you're not just getting a set of tools. You're investing in a product that combines fun, functionality, and quality craftsmanship. So, if you're looking for a daily repair toolkit that's as powerful as the God of Thunder himself, look no further. You won't regret adding this iconic piece to your collection. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews of the coolest tools and gadgets out there. Catch you in the next video.